Welcome back to another Fat Guy Builds, everyone. Today we're doing some oEdRo floor mats, and they're going into a 2020 Chevy Silverado crew cab. Make sure before you buy these that you don't have, there's a little box in these trucks. Make sure you don't have the box, okay? Because otherwise the back floor mat won't fit. So I just put the rear one in. Everything seems super nice and tight. The bends and everything are where they're supposed to be. And man, look at that, perfect fit. Comes around, nice. The sun's kind of giving a weird shadow, but they look nice and slick. That's what it looks like. Very nice. Here's in the back seat on the driver's side. Fits good on the driver's side as well. Let's check out what the front ones look like. Now I'm on the passenger side. Same deal here. Everything is super tight fitting. It's nice. Fits all the edges, curves perfectly. Very nice. Look at that. And then design is nice. Wow. Let's check out the driver's side. Now we're in the front driver's side. And yeah, nice fit too. Man, I was really not expecting them to fit this good, but it actually fits really good. The clips, let's see how tight they are. Just as tight as my WeatherTechs in my vehicle. Nice. Well, thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. These floor mats fit way better, than what I was thinking. I was gonna open the box, they were gonna fit a little janky. But you saw in the video, fits good. All the bends are where they're supposed to be. So yeah, I'll put a link to these floor mats in the description below. If you want them, check them out. They're gonna be on Amazon. And yeah, till next time, wrench on.